How to fix update KB5064081 failed to install in Windows 11 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix any installation problems with August 2025 preview cumulative update for Windows 11 24H2. First thing first, try installing the update from Microsoft Update Catalog. For this, go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Update Catalog. You will reach this page in your default browser. Here you can see multiple files. Find the file compatible with your system. For this, click on Start, select Settings, click on System, scroll down and click on About in the bottom. Here is System Type. Check the system type on your system. For me, it is 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. Find the file compatible with your system. This file is for 24H2 and x64 based systems. This file is compatible with my system. Check yours and click on the respective download button. On this page, click on both the links one by one. Let the files download. Once downloaded, click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to Downloads, which is generally the download location. Find the file KB5064081. Right click on it and select Open. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After this update is installed, go to the another update and try to install this update. If this update is not being installed, then there is no need to worry about because the update might have been earlier installed. If the issue still persists, run Windows Update Troubleshooter. For this, again go to the video description and click on the link to Windows Update Troubleshooter. The troubleshooter will be downloaded using your default browser. After the troubleshooter is downloaded, open the File Explorer and go to the Downloads folder. Right click on the downloaded zip file and select Extract All. Click on Extract. Browse the folder. Right click on the troubleshooter and select Open. Click on Advanced. Click on Run as Administrator. Select the Windows Update. Click on Next. Follow the on-screen instructions. Try to install the update. For this, click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates visual on your computer. If the update is already downloaded, click on the install link. If the problem still occurs, then fix installation using Windows Update. To do this, click on Start, select Settings, go to System, scroll down and click on Recovery. Here is Fix Problems using Windows Update. Click on Reinstall Now. Check this box and click on OK. Once you click on OK, a file will be generated in a while in the Windows Update section and link to the file will be given. Click on that link and reinstall Windows. The preview cumulative update will be installed and the issue will be repaired. If the issue still occurs, then reset Windows Update components. For this, click on Search, type CMD, right click on Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Yes. Go to the video description. You will find these commands there. Run these commands one line at one time. Copy the first line, paste into the command prompt, hit enter. In the same way, copy the second line, paste into the command prompt, press enter. In the same way, run all these commands. After running the commands, close the command prompt, restart your computer. Then try to install the preview cumulative update. If any problem is still occurring, then modify services. Click on search, type services, click on services, look for app readiness in the list, right click on this service and select properties. Change the startup type to automatic if it is not automatic, and if the service status is stopped, click on start. Click on apply, click on OK. Right click on app readiness and select restart. Then look for background intelligent transfer service. This one, right click, properties, change the startup type to automatic. If it is not automatic, click on the drop down, select automatic and click on start. If the service is stopped, click on apply, click on OK. Right click on background intelligent transfer service, select restart. Then go to cryptographic services, right click on this service, select properties. Here startup type is automatic and the service is running, so nothing is needed. Click on OK. Right click on cryptographic services, select restart. Click on yes. Then go to Windows Update service. This one. Right click on this service, select properties, change the startup type to automatic, start the service, click on apply, click on OK. Right click on Windows Update, select restart. In the end, close the services and try to install the update. If any error is still occurring, then run System Files Checker and DISM tools. For this, again click on search, type CMD, right click on command prompt and select run as administrator. Go to the video description. You will find the SFC SCANNOW and DISM RestoreHealth commands. Copy the system files checker command first. Paste into the command prompt, press enter. Then copy the DISM RestoreHealth command. Paste into the command prompt, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt, close other running tasks and restart your computer. Then check for updates. If any of the methods don't work, then perform in place upgrade. For this, launch a browser, type Windows 11 download, press enter, click on this link, scroll down and click on select download. Select this option. If your system is ARM based, then click on this link and follow the steps accordingly. For x64 devices, click on confirm. Then you will have to select the product language. For this, click on Start, select Settings, Time and Language, Language and Region. Windows display language is English United States. Click on Choose one and select English United States. Click on Confirm. Click on 64-bit download. Let the file download. Once downloaded, go to File Explorer, Downloads folder, right-click on the ISO file and select Mount. Click on Open. Right-click on setup.exe, select Open. Click on Yes. Uncheck this box. Checking this box will take much more time, so uncheck it. Click on Next. For applicable notices and license terms, click on Accept. Finally, click on Install. Your computer will restart multiple times and the preview cumulative update is installed along with Windows 11. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.